Hello students, good morning. In accounts, we are going to continue with the chapter 3, the basic concepts of the partnership. See, exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4 we have completed in the last class. Now we are going to the next part in the basic concepts of partnership, the calculation of interest on capital. Okay, so directly I am going to exercise number 5. First I will read the question, you have to listen. There are two partners sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So the first partner contribute 1,50,000 as capital and the second partner contributed 1 lakh, and the current account showed a balance of 25,000 and 20,000. Calculate the interest on capital at 6%. This is the question. So first step is we have to calculate the interest. After then we have to write the journal entries. So first write calculation of interest on capital. Okay. First partner. Interest on capital. The formula is equal to amount of capital into rate of interest. So how much the partner contributed as capital, that is known as amount of capital into rate of interest. Rate of interest is mentioned in the question is 6% per annum. So now step by step. First partner M capital is equal to 1,50,000 into 6 by 100. So it comes to 9,000 rupees. Are you all understood? Now the second partner R capital is equal to 1 lakh into 6 by 100 is equal to 6,000. So separately we have to calculate. Now coming to the entry part. So write the heading journal entries. Date you have to give 31st March 2019. The first entry. Interest on capital account data to M current account, because they have mentioned only current account. So then second partner 2R current account. So 15,000 in the debit side, then in the credit side 9,000 and 6,000. Any doubt in the first entry? Now second entry is almost a transfer entry. Same date, profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital account 15,000. So narration is interest on capital closed. Okay students. Now we are going to sum number 6. Sum number 6 also the same. There are two partners contributing the capital, but here additional capital also they have introduced. So whenever additional capital has been given, so based on the month has been mentioned in the question. So the same thing, first separately we have to calculate. First step is interest on capital. So interest on capital, opening capital for the first partner Prakash, 3 lakh is the capital. Rate of interest is 6%. So 6 by 100, it comes to 18,000. Then again additional capital. On 1st July, Prakash introduced additional capital of 60,000. So 60,000 into 6 by 100 is the rate of interest into 9 by 12. So 9 by 12 means you have to calculate from July. So calculate from 1st July. It comes to 2,700. So the total interest on capital for first partner is 20,700. Any doubt? Then second partner. Second partner capital is 2 lakh into 6 by 100. First step 12,000. Then again the second partner also contributed additional capital. So 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. So why the 6 by 12 means they didn't mention the month. Which month the partner has been contributed this additional capital. So when there is no date means we have to calculate it for average. So 6 by 12. It comes to 900. So the total of the second partner interest on capital is 12,900. Now next step is going to the journal entry part. The same March 2019, 31st, interest on capital account debtor to Prakash current account to Supriya current account, interest on capital provided. So the total amount is 33,600 in the debit side, then 2,700 and 12,900. Then the second entry is a transfer entry, profit and loss account debtor to interest on capital 33,600. Okay, so same model again one more time you have to work out sum number 5 and 6, then 7 you try. If you have any doubt you can let me know, or otherwise I will continue with sum number 7. Thank you students.